your heart feel heavy and your spirit need more, step through the vibes, my door always open, sure. Oh yeah, come in. Moonlight on the hallway, your shadow on the floor. You stand there with your suitcase, like you've been here before. No chains on your ankles, no rope around your neck. I'll keep the kettle warm, I'll keep the candle flame. If your feet are tired and you need a place to rest, I'll lay out my blanket, give you shelter from the stress. Go if you want to, come in when you please. There's room in my arms and a gentle summer breeze. Go if you want to, don't let love be a cage. My door stays open, baby, for every page. Street lights hum like lovers, the night sings soft and slow. You can walk 1,000 miles, or you can stay and grow. No questions, no sorrow, just a whisper in the dark. You can dance away tomorrow, or you can listen to my heart. No promises bind you, no chains to make you stay, just the warmth of honest living and the words I never say. Go if you want to, go in when you please. There's room in my arms and a gentle summer breeze. Go if you want to, don't let love be a cage. My door stayed open, baby, for every page. If the road calls your name, go find what you must find. But remember, there's a window with a light for your mind. If your soul gets lonely and the night is hard to face, come knock on this old doorway, find your resting place. Open door, open heart, no locks upon this love. Come and go like oceans, come back like the tide above. DJ boys give the rhythm smooth, pure harmony. Go if you want to, come back some home to me. Go if you want to, talk in when you please. There's no with my arms and a gentle summer breeze. Go if you want to, don't let it be a cage. My door stays open, baby, for every page. So take your time, my darling, walk gentle, walk free.